Raising ranks. The main hadith under discussion also advises 3 actions which raise a Muslim's rank, namely, giving food to others, especially to the poor, saying kind words to others, and offering the voluntary night prayer. Those who perform these deeds for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will be blessed with a special beautiful chamber in paradise. This has been advised in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2527. These are one of the first actions advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, when he arrived in the city of Medina. He gave the glad tidings of paradise to the one who does them. This is confirmed in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2485. The fact that these were the first actions advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, when he entered the city of Medina highlights how important they are. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.